There you go, guys, if you can hear me at all. Go ahead, tap it. See, that's going to thread it. That's just lubrication. Then I'm going to thread it. That's going to have a shut. That's a shut-off valve, so you don't even have to run the rest of the water yet, because I mean, you put plates over these temporarily to get through the night, because of you know, it's nighttime, road blocked off and on. What is it? So running a tap water line, guys. So just clamp straps on the pipe. You guys can ask anything you want. Right now I'm next to it. I know an hour ago I wasn't next to the cell phone here, but now I am. And you're going to see it tap the main line. It's an 8-inch water line down there. It's going to thread right into the damn thing. Water line. This is the tap, guys. This will be quite a few dollars to tap in that 8-inch water line.
Don't you want that tilted a little? Normally? Yeah. I thought somebody told me they usually want it on the side. I mean, I guess if that's how you would start to do it. And I remember the first time I was with you. I never put mine on the side. I don't know who said that. Maybe it was somebody. You did say the side? Okay, I knew I heard that. Yeah, the tilted. Yeah, I thought I heard
That's an 8-inch water line, baby. That's a nice line. The gas line's right next to it, to the right. No, that's water line also. Gas line's behind him, sitting down. It's about breaking through.
You make it look easy, baby.
Now, if those bolts come loose down there, it'll be a nice blow in the face for me. When I say come loose, I mean something breaks, but it's got redundancy on the bolts either. Not on the chain, but it's not that much force, believe it or not. Just to make it stationary while it threads through. That's the seal pushing down at the same time. Yep, looks like it's just about there. You guys are watching live, so if something goes bad, you'll see it live.
It's the way it's home.
Time to take a break.
Come down there. That's that Christian soul creation right there.
One worker, 5 supervisors, right?
Yeah. We all get that whole little. Yeah, I'm hogging it all up right now. If I of us can't get down there, we already got 2 people down there right now. Oh, shit. Good God, man.
It's, yeah,
man.
that's 2
Solid
people.
guy, man. About 240, 2 of me. You think you got 2 people with
And he's smart, pretty too, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Here we go, breaking through. Breaking through.
You got it all. You like it.
It's amazing how this works. That's one of the best compliments somebody can say, right? Come on, yeah, like come on, man. It's fucking wintertime out here, and you coming over here and you bitching. Yeah.
You're right there. Oh, that's the sun. They had all the ponies. That's the sun. Oh, yeah, I don't want no problem with that. I don't want no problem with that. There's about 4 or 5 guns over there. Oh.
Here comes the supervisor. Here comes.
There she goes.
There we go. There's the water coming out.
It's literally tapping into the other pipe.
The same pipe. Yeah, not the other. This pipe. Yeah. 8 minutes. 8 minutes exactly. Seems like a lifetime, didn't it? It was only 8 minutes of your life, equivalent to my sex life. Anyway, so
Was it really 8 minutes? You said it's 8
yeah. You caught on what I said? Yeah.
It was only 8 minutes.
Yeah. This is oxygen depletion in the muscles.
That was on the rotate.
Hello, anybody in there?
Yeah.
You can ask
yes,
questions.
sir.
I can talk right now if you ask. Hey, Zelix, putting in that work. Yep. Late night action, Zelix. This is actually kind of a rarity to show Zelix. I'm not sure if you can find this online. Water main tapping.
I was the one reason. I was the Delcast for one reason. They didn't have that vocation there.
Yeah, you got it, Zelik, and I love teaching, man. So ask away. I hope you picked up some subscribers on your channel, Zelix. Go ahead and put your, I don't know if you can, but try to put a link over there, over here. And maybe, well, they can find you now because you show Zelix. They'll be able to tap the 3 buttons so you'll write your name and find you. Or you can put your link there. And do a commentary, man. You should stick with commentary. You really decent stuff there. One guy's, you think it was our boy, George? That George guy that was there yesterday. Oh, his subs are sub, man. Let him watch. All you gotta do is you can actually mute them if you want. Jose Oro. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't know who that Jose Oro. Yeah, you want. That's it. Look at it rolling right on through. That's the center part that's rolling through. And that's going to go down flush with the about 1,000 years, looks like. Cover that.
Grab the pipe dope. That furrow there, you start doping that up.
"12 minutes. Dougie Fresh. Yeah. Yeah, you knew that. All right. I guess we just dated ourselves a little bit.
Probably gonna need a screwdriver.
Yes, it is,
to get
Elix.
the rest of it out. I gotta get more of that.
Yes, it is, Elix.
Hello. What's that, man? Alright, come on. Hey, crew. Grab that copper. Run that thing from here to over there. Stretch it all the way out.
Yeah. Well, I'm he's staying in shape right now. It's like 36 degrees out here right now. It's not bad.
Hey, wait.
It's calm too.
When should you go there, Saeed? Yeah. Long side. I thought you do them all. That's the side they do it. Yo, so I'm on 438 do this thing, alright? See?
No, this one's I am in Philly. See, look, this job is somewhere else though. I can't say where it is yet because
What's 438?
if everything goes south, I don't want anybody to know where the job is.
That's right, educate them, man. Let them know.
There's a copper going down. Kappa. Kappa. And reeling it out. Boom.
Take that elbow off of there. Tone! Hey, yo! Nope, that's not.
Who's that here? It's
I took
the
three.
top. Tiana. I hope I got that right.
So we come with that.
It's tapping a water main. That's a main water main down there, 8 inch, a lot of pressure. This gives it live. You do this live,
No, not on
and
that.
the water,
Not on that
and the water
side.
ties into those.
Put that you know, the piece that go on top of there. Huh? Cut that little piece off. Not yet. No, the far one. Far one, always. Far one. Yeah. Put that in the top. Way over there. What size is it? 8? You don't see why this big motherfucker here, Joe?
Dangerous stuff. Hey, Doss. Well, I'm in line with that nut.
Ain't no stop over there. Ain't none over there?
Elbow grease, man. Oh yeah. Oh, he's big enough. The water's already come out. You guys can see it right here. Be back.
Ain't nothing, man.
Watch it.
What was that? Huh?
Kicked over an elbow down there. The elbow's down.
Mike?
And they're bringing a new fill. Let's get backfill with new fill,
Huh?
not with the old fill that
That's
came
Mike.
out.
Yeah. So he can dump that right here.
So this is
Right here? Dump right here.
so here's the fresh fill coming in. Filter. So you're not contaminated your old stuff, oil, things like that in it. When you're on the roadway, you gotta add new uncontaminated soil. City replacing sewer and water main line in front of my well, sewer line. The house was removed. They burst street water main. Oh, okay. Flooded basement with fresh water. Oh, cool. Not bad, a little fresh water. That's gonna flip over. That's your fresh run going back. The street must have been 100 feet high. Oh, okay. Wow, that's awesome. Neat.
Huh? Shit locked up. Yeah, just a little bit, just a little bit.
Now it's down in place. $19.22. Start sticking it off. Took 8 minutes to put on. The wrench down. Followed 8:05. 8 minutes work time. 1922.
Yo, make sure they put that shit back on my truck.
I like Tommy stuff.
Leave that right here with that closed in brick right here.
Yeah, I got you too, though.
Yes, sir. Feel this right here. You're not putting topsoil on that one now. Will be good though, I think.
We're gonna approximately 1 minute to remove it. 8-to-1 ratio. Now she's up. See the water come out. See black clean.
That big contraption just for a 1-inch line?
It does different lines. Depending on what dyes you put on it. It'll do different lines.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you just saw him put a, how was he able to take that off?
Yeah, okay.
See the water in there? It diverts. It diverts. That's why you're able to you see what you're seeing. Let me get if I can get you a little tighter. That's a gate. It diverts the water. The guy is a G. G is a gangster. Now, you can see the tool. There is the valve. It goes down now and it gets screwed on. We'll flip the gate. Got rid of contaminants. And now screw the valve on. That's the shut-off valve. This is where this extra weight comes in handy.
Also, there is a division.
Yeah. 23:36 minutes right now. 23 minutes. It's like a speed speed record.
15 years right there.
Yeah.
You can do this in his sleep.
Yeah. Look, I put it live on YouTube. Somebody said your man's a G. Talking about you said, talking about you, and they said, look, he said he got a lot of strength. What's this other shit they saying? That's a core workout right there. They said, got his core workout. Remember my background, right?
Yeah.
Engineering background. So I follow all the. Some guys just focus on one thing. Me, I'm construction engineering, so there is nothing that I, can't know about with everything when it comes from building any building, or whatever I set my mind to.
And we get benefit. Shot a crown. Every inch.
Shot a crown. Shot a crown. That's it. That's all she wrote. 24:58. Under 25 minutes. Damn. Nice.
Back her up.
Back her up.
That's it. I'll just take it apart. I guess I'd have to Google that word, expertise. I have a, I'm a hater on people that call themselves an expert. Based on one of my other careers, expert means that you maxed out about everything about that one topic. That they come to you about it. So if you would ask me what's that made of, that nut, I wouldn't be able to tell you. So besides try to guess it's brass or not. So that disqualified me as the expert. And it's out of here. And there's the valve. Done. Seat it. You know, it's just a profession. Let's seat it and everything.
Yeah, tell them let me see that open end wrench though. Take the top off.
Gotta turn it. Gotta do it at 3. It's gotta go 90 degrees out. It's 90 degrees out.
Not
Looks
yet.
like. Oh no, it's not 90 out. That's the shut-off valve on the back side.
Not yet, Cat. I got shoot her now. Alright. I need open end wrench.
He's gonna get rid of the debris in it, so I'm gonna step back a second. I think I'll pass on the water.
Oh, this is go back, right? Chain go back, toe feet go back, close them go back.
He's gonna open it up, clear it again. Yeah.
She was looking for the barrel. No. Oh shit. Oh. Whole new installation.
Yep. And I'll step back. Well, I'll zoom in for you guys. Maybe.
Looking at this right here. It's one of the few times that you ever see a line.
Loop around.
This right here. Come on right here. Right to that box there.
It's clear. Now this is gotta be. You're gonna spike it through. Across here. All the way across. And then it's gonna get plates on top of it.
Put it back. There you go. Yeah. Outside. Not the outside.
I'm gonna kill the light for a second. Kill the light for a second. Somebody say something? How about knowledgeable, Doss? Knowledgeable. How's that for the word? You have knowledge on how to do it. And you also have on-hand experience. That's a big difference. It's a big difference from anything in a book that says, you know, what water line is going to tie into it. What's the My brain's frozen now. Hold on. I'm gonna say draw, but draw's the wrong
You gonna leave
word.
that shovel down there?
Check this out, guys. Watch this shit.
Over down where? Over there with that gauge.
Watch what this does.
No, we gonna get over there before this.
It's basically going jackhammer its way right through the friggin' hole. I don't have to tell you what this is typically known as, do I? You guys can figure out what this typically is called.
Dig down from over there. Alright. So I think this.
They need more room. They need more room. More back room. Because you can't align it properly. You can't align it properly because it's so it can't square up with it. So give it a second. You're gonna see that tool there is gonna spike through all of this crap. Beautifully so. It's gonna be worth it's gonna be worth your guys watching that. I'm freezing my ass off right now. My toes, I mean. 'Cause I've got on the right gear. So I don't know if he's not going to use the machine. That's hand digging there. So you got to bear with me. It's gas lines, things like that. So no machine. And then watch how fast it just spikes across the street. That's going to be worth it. Will be worth it for you guys. Oh, let me make sure I got enough battery. Yep, we're good. Watch your own self. Watch your back. Watch your back. Well, I got you. I got you. Something, his own barricade was falling down back on him. And not the plastic one either. Pallets. Pallet sized. Palletized. I'm gonna move that pallet. That just looks like something you can fall over and hit your fucking head on that. That's what I see that. He slips, falls over that like a current joke. Okay. I'm going for this pallet too because you fall, break a fucking hand trying to catch your balance, only your thumb gets caught out. All the weight goes down to your thumb and then you dislocate your thumb. So this should be moved too. There we go. Now safety first keeps them from the hospital. Probably no hearse here. Yeah. So Zelix, if you didn't hear me, this is going to be nice. When they dig this out more, they're going to use that tool. It's going to, the tip of it is what does all the initial driving, but everything goes through. Watch it. It's kind of badass. The tip, it's a tip inside of it. Hazard. I'll get you guys over there in a second. He checks his clearance. I think he needs more clearance. They cut him short a little bit. Christmas lights, right? La la la. So you know what time of year it is, obviously. It's a live video, so timestamps it anyway. So you guys guess how much something like this cost? How much something like this costs to run this? Yeah, yep. Thank you, Zelix. Take a guess at what it costs. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna fire this thing up. Hold on. You guys are like this. It's gonna need. It runs by air. Give me a second here. Friggin' light. He needs hose to run it. There we go. kick. Sorry about the focus, guys. I'll zoom out. Give me a second. How beautiful is that? This comes on through the other side. Break on through the other side. A little bit of an angle, but it's gonna look great.
What's that board? What's that board?
Is that cool or what? That's some hard ground. But you saw how it rolled through that last piece. That's some hard ground.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
You missed the grub, man. It's in the car.
What a piece of
It's in the
stuff
truck. It's in the truck. He showed up after all for that pie. Sorry guys, that was an inside joke. Alright, you see the speed on that. You got a minute for it to come through. Like a cool piece of tool. Yeah. How you doing? How you doing?
Good,
All right.
man. The light I got.
Yeah. Yep. You guys gonna give me a price? You gonna give me a price guess on this, guys? How much? It's in the thousands. It's in the thousands. And it might sound like 18.
Come see you again,
Yeah.
yeah, well.
Let me shake your hand. All
I
right.
got the phone number.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You got it. Take care. It's compacting the soil around it. Beautiful, isn't it? See, 39, 38, and that's about a foot from that thread. So we'll see the footage, the coverage speed. What are you guys guessing? I'm guessing over a minute a foot, but not 2 minutes. Up, so much for that. Sounds like it hit something. Nope, it's good. I'm looking at the speed. It looks good. another piece, 38. I said I think it was 39, 38. So I still got 2 seconds left. All right, so it's about half a foot a minute and 5 seconds, half a minute. So 6 inches every minute and 15 seconds. And the thing is about this long. Oops, let me go out. Let me zoom out for you guys. Yeah. I could be way off, yeah. It is solid, right. Well, it's compacting too, Zelix. Since the dirt can't move anywhere, well, it's getting tighter around the hole as it's wedging its way through. The front of the device is tapered, and the shaft comes up behind it, and it's pushing to the outside walls. And the more it gets buried in this soil here, it has friction on it around the outside walls of it. That slows it up. So initially, when you see it start, most of it is sticking out. It can drive in a lot faster. It's less friction, and the force didn't change in this airline. The force is still the same. It didn't compensate or add more force. Obviously not. You don't want to break the tool. You just can't add more force because you want to. Imagine one day all this shit will be robots. It'd probably take too long to do a robot on this. You got to set it up. I guess we could set the robot up right. Set the robot. They do have a lot of lasers with the construction equipment now. So lasers make a lot of things, tie things in. Like if a laser was on this backhoe, you could match the depth on each one of these going over. But the streets have crowns in them to let water run left and right. So they crown streets. They crown streets so water run off. Streets are not just flat. And they're not just flowing, they're not just flowing downhill either. Oh, bringing up another light bar. Another light bar is coming. This shit's gonna get really bright out here in a minute. And yet this is the easy part now. Sorry guys, I'm trying to zoom out. You pinch it, your fingers are cold, your fingers do that shit like that. So this is a state road, and they love their fill. They love their fill when they're doing the new curb and gutter. So that's a curb and a gutter, meaning water will run down to a drain box. They like adding the fill, the crush run. So when you open up a state road, they don't want you to put back the contaminated soil. Well, it's whatever the soil is. It doesn't go back. Besides, it would be a little bitchy compacting it. It's clayish. You'd have to use a jumping jack. It's some nasty shit. Let's see. It's so nasty. It's wet, very wet. And I didn't even have to clump it to show you it can clump. Very moldable. Very moldable. And I'm still compressing. I'm still compressing it. And it's very plastic. Throw it off to the side. I'll let it see it dry out. Let it dry out and see what it's made of after. Guys, once again, damn, my pinching. So we're probably coming through right about now. This might be coming down on an angle. And then they can take it back up. They can take it back up. Base. still moving. That's good news.
That's a good sign.
Yeah.
Look, that dirt you go right there, messing up my level going into the next place. I just want to keep it coming.
I'm gonna get him the other shovel. I'm gonna get him this little guy. I guess it's on this end by chance, even though it looked like it was going on the other side. Right on 5 feet, I'm guessing. Just a guess. I think that bitch took a turn.
That's the same flashlight. Right here.
Take this one. Here she comes. She went high. Here she comes. See that wall start coming apart? Yeah, that's nice.
Straight. I don't feel it yet.
What do you guys think it is? Show the
Oh, you got a brand new
oh, and there's no pulling that thing back out. Oh, it's moving pretty good now. It's got a nice clip to it. Helix is everything in here. It's, it's clay. Mostly clay. Where this is going through. It's got a nice clip to it now. It's coming through. It's got a nice clip. Yes. Yep, there it goes. Here she comes here. Right where the rock's broken. It went high. Here she is. Dead center. Dead center. Straight shot. Beautiful. That was beautiful.
Rocks in there.
Yeah.
When you take that long.
See the taper on the taper on it?
Hard. Yeah, true.
See the taper on it? The taper on the tip of it?
Coming your way. Good? Alright.
And
Here
that's
she
going to
come,
run
baby.
over there. This is a much shorter span, and it doesn't have as much earth in front of it that would be a problem for it to drive through. So it's going to work fairly good up to right there, and then it's only going to have that little bit of dirt to act as resistance. There's nothing really backing it besides that little piece there. So you can get how that's going to help out. Then it's got a bigger hole. Look at the footage. 5208.
Ready. 941.
941, they got to shut it down pretty soon because of noise. 9 o'clock. But it's 941, so it's beyond 9 o'clock. That's pretty fast. It's about a foot a minute over here. So when we see that clear, we know it's right about, about the end of that curve. Then we'll see, I want to see if it starts bursting through at that point. So like less than a minute. Less than a minute, we should start seeing, oh, there's a belly of dirt over here. So since it's a belly, that's more resistance. No, but it's also got a hole. He's trying to, yeah, that's kind of good. It's kind of cool. Let's see how I nail it. So imagine that's a reverse cone as this is hitting it. That's kind of cool little experiment. See the dirt's falling already up top? And there's the crumbling again. Here it comes. Only one left after this one. This little run right there. Yeah, she's a nice lady. Ask her for some cookies. They said some cookies also. goes. Hey, Zelix, you there? Here she comes. I see once it's through, it's got less and less friction as each part, as more and more come through. So it actually goes a little faster. All about skin friction. She's bringing out the water. Sweet, sweet. That's the gas line down there. He's going right over top of. That one might be closed. Got the water for you. Got a nice clip to it. Go pretty fast through here. I've taken this out already, so this is gonna be pretty soft. But we're not to look yet, not until it clears that coupling, and then some. Got a nice clip to it. Nice speed. And that's what the gas line looks like right there.
Go in. Now it is.
You want that little shovel? Let me get that little one for you. Yep. You got it. Here you go, Vic.
Thank you.
You got it.
All night. It's your property, right?
Yeah, one of them, yeah.
One of them. Okay. We thought we was gonna be out here all night.
Yeah.
Rolling. Yeah. Okay. We're moving a lot faster as well. Yeah, this a lot. This over here is a lot. It ain't as packed as that side over there. That might have been old. That might have been old road there. But in that wall right there is hard. I mean, coordinating out. You feel that shit right here when I'm standing. That shit like it's under my feet.
It's coming through in a minute, moment.
It's like a full body bumper.
You know, it only just crossed an hour since you started, before you start tapping. It's only been an hour. Exactly an hour and 54 minutes. So that's pretty damn fast, I think. Yeah. I think it's pretty damn fast. You went across the whole damn road.
That's quite an answer.
Yeah.
That's that. That ain't none of this bullshit. I don't want to talk none of this bullshit. That time for that shit. I put them on the block. Get my number. Oh, shit. Hey, Jack said, boy, give me a three-way call my grandma. I know you, boy. You know it's good money. Then when there ain't no money, you can have.
No, it's it.
Nah.
What I do, Zelix, is always compliment the guys on speed and things like that.
I hear it come.
Everybody likes that. Oh, here she comes. You can hear it double
Here it
tapping.
goes.
Hear it double tapping. Works for me. The height does. It gains some height.
Hey,
Make it look easy.
yeah, we out here on the field, man.
Man, Blake, man. Yeah, we vamping, man.
Now to get unscrewed from this side.
Come.
Yeah.
They cut it off.
They get unscrewed from this side and then pull it out.
My man. Pull it on out of there. Pull the line.
Oh, they're gonna run the line through. They're not gonna unscrew it. Doesn't it burn? What part? The device? No, it's just steel. It's like a jackhammer inside of itself, going forward and back, reciprocating forward and back, and it just moves forward every time it takes the forward punch. The internal of it. The internal. So you can see the tip of it. Tapered. Okay. They're excited. Now I get
Ready for me?
so the noise will dial down here.
Okay.
Now undo the coupling. That's a blow in your friggin' face. They should have drafted out of the machine first. I don't think they let the air out. I don't know if they depressurized it. They did. Good. I didn't hear it. Well, obviously I heard it. I didn't. I missed it. Now the copper pipe's going to go through. He'll tie this onto the copper pipe, and you let it be a snake. This becomes a snake for the copper line. So, because you just wouldn't try to just push it in, right? You want to pull it through. Oh shit, looks like turn that down. I turn the screen down, we're at 34. Let me see if I got another battery. I might have to double back on you guys. Let me see. Nope, that's Betty says. Let me put this on a tripod and do what I do. Give me a second. Oops, sorry guys. I'm gonna tripod this thing. I'll still narrate in a second. Give me a second to go get a charger. Another charger I have. Come on, freaking clamp. Okay, there we go. So what you're gonna watch is they're gonna tie into the pipe with the line still, and they're gonna pull it through. And when they pull, I'm sorry, pull the air line through. When they pull the air line through, the copper will come with it. Maybe I can move you over and get a better view from this side. This angle here. Ugh. Pulling out the tripod. Give me a second. Oh, that's not working as easy as I want it. Okay, there we go. Let me tilt it, give you a tilt, down tilt. Now you're gonna see him pull it through. There's no reason to watch you see every hole, but I'll let you look at this connect when I get to it. I don't know which connection they're gonna do first. Theirs or this side. It's just a matter of using, I was about to say Fern Cove, compression settings. All right, you see the guys lining up with the line? And they're gonna feed it through at the same time. Excuse me. Now he's gonna pull it through. Get the big man over here and pull it through. La la la, la la la. I'm gonna walk around. I'll be in the camera in a minute. I'll be in the view rather. Pull this. See the frozen person putting the gloves on to hold the damn camera. I'm back. All right, you're gonna pull it through. still here. That was me blowing on my hands, right? Getting them warm. Let's take a walk around there again. There we go. Pull that boy through.
Got it? Yeah, we at the copper now. There? We at the copper?
Give some light. Pulling the line through.
Okay.
So they still got to put a,
I'm on my way,
they still got to put a curb shut off over here. Curb stop, they call it. He can always cut it, so you can take a little more. Yeah.
Yep.
He's pushing. He's pulling. Curb box. Oh, there you go. Yeah, he's got plenty for your curb box over there now. Gonna tie in, yep. There's the line. There's the line. I'm gonna tie in.